So hey, it is a very snowy day today and I'm just gonna be making some of my coffee. So I'm taking you guys along this journey with me, this coffee making journey. Yes, and this is how I go about it. By the way, this is a Friday, so I don't know when you will be watching this. I'm just doing a little creamer here and I'm using my frother. Like I told you guys, I wouldn't be getting right into the lip gloss making, but I will do them like a vlog style, business type. I'm done. I added a little bit of cinnamon in there, and voila, we have our pick-me-up for today. And by the way, this is my favorite cup to use on a Friday. Just giving you a sneak preview on the swatch that I did with the Fuchsia Flax demo. Yeah, there you have it. And I'm gonna sit and have a little talk with you guys. So hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Inga here. Happy New Year to you guys. Okay, I'm gonna be very consistent this year. I know you have heard that a lot, but trust me, it's going down. So with that being said, hope you that have been planning on doing YouTube channels, I hope you are in full force at that and has that going on. Don't worry about the 1,000 followers at first. It's gonna be very hard, yes, but just keep pushing, okay? Okay, so you saw earlier I advertised the Fenty lip balm that I made. Yes, I had to go and put on a little filter. I know it's a little bit different from what you're seeing now, but yeah, I really had fun mixing this lip gloss. It came out amazing. Yes, awesome. And let me know if you guys want to purchase an 8-ounce tube of that, like if you want it in a wholesale kind of situation. But I will be selling retail at the shop, and you know where that is at if you have been following me. So you guys can also go and follow me on Instagram. I have 2 pages. One is the shop and one is like a regular, like my personal page that I've just been doing a lot of reels on. So you guys can go and check them out. I will have the link maybe listed below this video. Well, definitely it will be in the description box, but I just came on to just say hi to you guys. And all of the business videos that I will be doing will be like in a vlog style, like, so yeah, I'm just gonna be my plain old same old natural self. And that's another thing, when you want to do your videos, just be yourself. Just be yourself. You don't have to go do a bunch of makeup or put on this and that. Just go and be yourself. But if some days if you feel like just go and fix it up and put on some makeup and stuff, you can go and do that. Yeah, but mainly it works if you are just being yourself. I'm telling you, just be yourself. And another thing I forgot is I will be incorporating some makeup videos again in these videos. I'm excited about that. Yeah, so with that being said, sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. So don't forget to comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share these videos, get these out there and help your girl out. I'm just moving forward. I am really excited about this channel though. It's been doing well. It's been doing well because I have not been consistent. Okay, see you guys later in this video. So I'm not going to be explaining too much in this video, but I have a video that I'm going to link, and then you guys can go back and watch that. And it's similar to what I'm doing right here. And the reason for this is I will be bringing out an ebook with the demo and what should I say? I will be bringing out an ebook with this particular gloss that I made here. So I'll let you guys know when it's available at the shop. It's going to be very affordable and you guys can go and purchase it. It will be more informative than this video anyways. I'll give you some tips and tricks and some little bonuses. So that's where we're gonna focus our shift for a bit during this new year and see where that takes us. And as you can see, the lighting is a little bit off, but in the end you'll see exactly how the gloss came out. It's a twin sister to the Fuchsia Flax, and the Fuchsia Flax is a gloss by Rihanna Fenty lip line. If you guys know about her, well, you should. Yeah, so this is what I am duplicating right here. However, I will still be taking questions concerning this video, so you guys can just hit me up in the comments below and let me know your thoughts, your ideas, and yeah, just let me know. I'll be happy to assist you with them at my earliest convenience. Yeah, this base is a very creamy, thick-like texture. It's smooth, it has a nice slit, and it is pigmented, very. It has the emollients and everything else in it that I usually use. I'd probably be adding one or two things different. Like I said, you will see all of that in the ebook if you were going to purchase it. So yeah, I'm excited about that. So I'm stirring it vigorously, as you can see, because I have the two bases in there. And if you have been following me, you know which base, lip gloss base that I use. By now, I have added another one, and all of that will be in the ebook as well. This is the glitter that I'm using right here. I'll tell you where to get that from also, and I'll have a list of all of the stuff that you can purchase for necessary stuff that you can purchase for your lip glosses if you're starting a business. I'm just gonna be wrapping this up now. As you can see, it's nice and thick and creamy, not too loose, not too tight. It's the perfect texture. And then I will be doing a swatch for you guys so you can see exactly how the color is on my brown skin. Yeah, so yeah, there you have it. And you guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. Turn on your notifications. Just look at that gloss right there. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on any other videos. I'm telling you, this channel is gonna be lit. Okay, so there you have the swatch right there. And yeah, we've come to the end of this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, loves.